How to change your password of CWB Digital account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change your password of CWB Digital account. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open any browser, as you can directly open CWB Digital App. After you open browser, in the source field, search for CWB Online Banking. After that, you can simply find the official site of Canadian Western Bank. Simply tap on CWB Digital Banking. From this interface, you'll have to tap on Sign In at the top right. Now from here, choose for the option CWB Digital Banking. After that, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Sign In. From this interface, you'll have to enter your username. After that, confirm with your password. After you enter the correct username and password, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the left hand side, simply you can get the option for change password. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll be able to change your password. For that, type your current password at first, and after that, type your new password and verify the new password. After that, click or tap on submit. After you tap on that, you'll be able to change your CWB or Canadian Western Bank account password. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.